Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pupunta po kami ni ngayon, ni Ustad sa Lusail Circuit. Lusail. Basta sa Lusail. Kasi open na po ang registration para sa volunteer marshal sa F1 Formula 1 Grand Prix. Open na po siya. So ngayon ay first day ng seminar at doon magsiseminar ho tayo. Magsiseminar ako ngayon, si Ustads naman bukas. Kaya pero may mga na kami, may mga lisensya na kami. Parang refresh lang siya ba. At saka kasi malay natin, nakalimutan natin kung may mag-crash ma-aksidente dito, kung anong plug ang pwede mong ipa-wave sa iyong kasama o anong plug ang gusto mong i-erase, kaya kailangan yun. So kita-kita. Ayan ho, on the way na ho kami sa Lusail at nasa kahabaan na po kami sa palagitan ng Alcor at Duha Road. At ngayon nakikita ko na po yung escapade ng Lusail. Medyo malayo-layo pa, siguro nasa mga 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers yan ba o 10? 5 no? 5 kilometers. At saka yung Lusail, patuloy pa rin naman yung pagkaano niya, renovate niya, pero siguro pinaganda siguro nila ng gusto. At ayan ako, natatanaw ko na ang Lusail Circuit Club. Ayan may mga palaro din dyan na magaganap. Ayan. Lusail, unahan. Karting dito di ay karting. Karting bay. Ilang gikuan, intro. Nandito na ho tayo sa venue ng training center para sa sa Marshal. Ayan. At ito na nga may nakalagay nga na signboard, Marshal Training QMMF. Ito po siya. Ayan. Marshal Training QMMF. So, let's go. Pa-register na tayo. Magpa-register na tayo ngayon kasi alas 6 mag-start yung tama-tama 5:45 pa. So abot tayo. Okay, dito ho yung entrance natin. Dati ho dito ho nag-speech si Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Ayan ho. So bubuksan natin ito kasi ito na siya Pagbukas natin, dire-diretso lang. Wala. Ay kalupit. So wala pang gaanong tao. Kasi yung circuit natin guys, pa siya? Parang ang dami pang under construction pa talaga siya. Parang hindi mo sukat akalain na matatapos siya ng ganung buwan. Kaya nga ayan. So ito pa. Doon daw.
One merchant get something full. No gift, that's why
New uniform. Huh? We have new uniform.
We built a new uniform.
we have new.
What
It's
color?
white color, but we don't know about the
Size.
No, the
Jumper.
I don't know, including head. I'm not concerned about
No, but why would I leave only?
because we're dressing,
No, what you were telling them?
I'm telling them sir about the uniform,
Uh-huh.
and then about the
What's wrong with the uniform?
if we have one,
Maybe.
yes, and it's
Maybe not.
white, take them.
White?
Oh! After that,
Who said?
become gray. After the race, will become gray. That white.
Maybe white.
But who said?
Nobody this
Guessing
morning. I hear only.
This is the.
But come.
You hear from him.
From mommy.
Well, what else? So overall, what?
And about the one that you have idea?
No.
No?
If I know, I will tell you.
Really?
Because I know this will make you more excited.
Yes. And I'll be very happy. And I will love you too much,
Sir, what about the uniform? Is it short sleeve or long sleeve? If it's possible, long sleeve.
Short and long.
Kasi pagka di ba, mahirap.
Still hot.
Sometimes I make a share. So they know.
I think you know the story behind that. I don't know if all of you are aware about the incident.
Yeah, everybody's aware that
Tell me.
that guy,
What do you know?
there's an accident in that area,
Mhm.
okay, and he showed double flag,
Double.
the yellow flag, double yellow flag, okay, and you know what? Why he take that one? Somebody teach him. It's awesome.
Verstappen ignoring double yellow flag.
Okay. Then I just want to know what you guys know about that.
And because he's stuck in the middle of the
Okay,
track.
yeah. Then why he was rewarded?
Because he's aware, he's active
aware
and
of
aware, and he's focused and
What you know
active.
is wrong.
Why?
I will tell you the real story, but let's start first.
Okay. I think the
We need microphone.
Test.
yes.
May mali yung laro
Talking about emails, I am sure that when Dexter sent you the invitation through email, he was very specific when it comes to the location and how you can enter to this seminar area, correct? But still, there were some people roaming around here and there. Some of them are at the back of this building or in a different gate or different entrance, especially this arena. It's like we are expecting you to read everything, okay? This is one. We will go through in our slides today with the first draft of the event schedule. This is what we got from F1 only 2 days back. We were pushing very hard to get the schedule. At least we can notify you guys with the dates and so ever, so you can prepare yourself. So what I'm expecting you, all of you as chiefs, to do is to check your agenda, to check with your duty or your work, whether you need to have a leave on that day. So at least you have time to arrange, you know. In 2021, we had just 6 weeks ahead of the race, and it was very short notice, and I know it was challenging. But now we have more time, and I'm expecting you at least to start planning for that weekend. I remember when we had on Sunday, we had the DG panel briefing. Who was doing the briefing of the DG panels? I mean, who was DG panel from? Only two? Panels? Okay. If you remember,
It's a working day, and he was like, he did like this, you know, because in Europe, in the other regions, Sunday is a day out.
it will be between 11th to 17th of September, but we will communicate that to you. I just want again to give you some heads up, and it will be from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. So you will have 6 hours in the evening time, and I think this is more than enough for everyone. So 11 to 17, but again, we will communicate that to all of you. Now, when you go to a Qatar Sports Club, we are expecting you to come to us with what? ID, mashallah, very good. And IBAN. We need you to come with ID copy and IBAN copy. For sure, it should be valid IBAN, and it should be your own IBAN number, okay? I'm not really sure. I cannot give you an answer about this. But if any one of you has Orido, I would really recommend you to have a way to, to avoid it. But we will come back to you with the communication prior to the pre-registration. Usually, Orido gives us a lot of headache, to be honest. I know it's in favor of some of you, but when it comes to us, a lot of bola bola. Now, do you have any questions for these couple of points? I used to distribute case gloves, the rubber gloves, especially for the track marshals, right? Now, there is another thing to be implemented this year, but again, we will confirm that later on. Any marshal who will be in contact with the car will have to wear high voltage shoes. You know them?
Safety shoes.
It's not a normal safety shoes. It's like a rubber boot, preventing or protecting you from getting electrical shocks, because you will have then the CARES gloves on your hands, and you will have the boots, the high voltage boots on your feet. Because imagine that you are wearing them, but nothing in your feet. So that is a cool ground, you know. Again, this will be clarified or confirmed later. I'm just sharing what we have, you know. Flag marshals, you are safe, because for sure you will not be touching these cars. But track marshals, you probably will wear these high voltage shoes. So, I just had a conversation with June and Jojo, and Jojo has a message to all of you. The helmets, radios, and any other equipment to be distributed later will be the responsibility of the chief marshals. So the chief marshals will collect, and then it's their responsibility to bring them back. Okay? It's very easy. Now, we've noticed a lot, again, we've noticed a lot of some kind of poor behaviors, especially when it comes to timing. We had a lot of marshals. It's not necessarily you, because you are all chiefs, and we really appreciate all of the efforts that you always do. But again, you are also taking that kind of responsibility of your team in the post. So let's try to work together and be a good example of being on time. You know, let's try to encourage each other. Last year, we were going through very poor.
So, abot na abot. Doon daw.
Si Wendy pa lang ang nahanap eh.
Okay, so we have WhatsApp.
It's a working day and he was like,
And it will be from 2 p.m. to
Formula One races, and you can witness